Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, this is our third session for direct and indirect speech or reported speech. We have already discussed how to convert statements into indirect speech, from statements from direct speech to indirect speech. We have discussed questions also, how to convert questions from direct speech to indirect speech. Right? In this session, we'll discuss something new, and just have your copy and pen with you. So whatever the rules I tell you, you should write them down. Okay, note them down. So when we solve the question, you should take the help of the rules. Okay, so let's begin. Now we'll discuss commands, request, advice in indirect speech. Okay, indirect commands, request, advice are usually expressed by a verb of command, request, advice plus object plus infinitive. Right, the following verbs can be used: advise, say advice and advise. This is noun and this is a verb. Ask, encourage, invite, order, recommend, request, tell. These verbs can be used. And negative commands or requests are usually reported by not plus infinitive. Infinitive you must be knowing, that is to plus basic form of the verb. Right, that suppose to go, to listen, to hear, to watch, to switch off, to shout, to catch. Okay, so to plus verb, that is infinitive. So let's have some examples over here. Now see the first one. Switch off the TV, he said to her. अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा? He said to her. First of all इसको हम he told her करेंगे. He told her. अब मैंने आपको क्या बताया? स्विच ऑफ द टीवी मतलब वो उसको कमांड दे रहा है या ऑर्डर कर रहा है या कह रहा है कि वे इस टीवी को स्विच ऑफ कर दो. ठीक है, तो अभी आपको क्या करना है? इन्फिनेटिव यूज करना है. सो ही टोल्ड हर टू स्विच ऑफ द टीवी. ओके, सो ये तो बहुत इजी है. सो ही टोल्ड हर टू स्विच ऑफ द टीवी. शट द डोर तरुण, शी सेड. सो शी टोल्ड तरुण to shut the door. She told Tarun to shut the door. Pretty simple. Lend me your pen for a moment, I said to Manas. Okay, अभी आप या तो रिक्वेस्ट भी कर सकते हो जो, या फिर आप you can use ask also. तो कुछ भी आप उसमें से यूज कर सकते हो. तो मानस asked, I'll just write it down. I'm sorry, it is I said to Manas. So I asked Manas to lend me his pen. Okay, so lend verb है, यहाँ पर to lend infinitive. So infinitive plus object. I asked Manas to lend me his pen. Okay. और जैसे यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है, नेगेटिव है तो आपको नॉट के साथ में इन्फिनेटिव यूज करना है. डोंट वॉच तो नॉट टू वॉच. राइट, सो आई वॉन्ट देम नॉट टू वॉच लेट नाइट horror movies. I'm sorry, I want them not to watch late night horror movies. Not to watch. ठीक है, बहुत सिंपल है. Don't believe everything you hear. He warned me. Again नेगेटिव है तो हम नॉट टू बिलीव कह देंगे. सो ही वॉन्ट मी नॉट टू बिलीव एवरीथिंग आई हियर. एवरीथिंग आई, इनफैक्ट यहाँ पे हर्ड हो जाएगा, पास्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सो ही वॉन्ट मी नॉट टू बिलीव एवरीथिंग आई हर्ड. नॉट टू बिलीव एवरीथिंग आई heard. Okay, next is please fill up the form, the counselor said. अब जो please है मतलब एक रिक्वेस्ट कर रही है, या फिर आप ask भी यूज कर सकते हो. So the counselor asked me to fill up the form. The counselor asked me to fill up the form. to plus verb to fill up the form. Okay, don't hurry, I said. So I told him, और कोई न कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए here, her या फिर him, तो जो भी है यहाँ पर I या फिर them जो भी है, I told them not to hurry, not to hurry. I told not to hurry वो गलत हो जाएगा, ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस इन्फिनेटिव, ठीक है. सो I told them not to hurry या फिर I told him not to hurry. Okay, then don't touch that switch Anu, I said. I ordered कह सकते हैं या I warned कह सकते हैं. सो मे बी यहाँ पे स्विच को टच करना मतलब कुछ करंट आने का झंझट होगा, इसलिए हम क्या वार्न भी कर सकते हैं. सो I warned Anu not to touch the switch. I warned Anu not to touch the switch. Not to touch the switch. I warned Anu. Open the safe. The raiders ordered the bank clerk. So that's very simple. The raiders ordered the bank clerk to open the safe. To open the safe. ठीक है? Please do as I say, he begged me. So he begged me to do as he said. Okay. सिंपल प्रेजेंट है, सिंपल पास्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सो ही बेग्ड मी टू डू एज आई सेड. ओके. हेल्प योर मदर रानू, मिस्टर जैन सेड. मिस्टर जैन आस्क्ड रानू टू हेल्प हर मदर. मिस्टर जैन asked और ordered भी अच्छा लगेगा. So Mr. Jain ordered Ranu to help her mother. Okay? Don't make too much noise, children, he said. So he told children not to make too much noise, right? He told children not to make too much noise. Simple. Do whatever you like, he said to us. So I can say he told us to do whatever we liked. Whatever we like. ठीक है, सिंपल प्रेजेंट है, सिंपल पास्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सो शी टोल्ड अस टू डू वॉट एवर वी लाइक्ड. शी टोल्ड अस टू डू वॉट एवर वी लाइक्ड. ओके. Don't miss your train, she warned them. She warned them not to miss their train. She warned them not to miss their train. Okay. Read it before you sign it, he said it to his client. So यहाँ पर हम advise कर सकते हैं, suggest कर सकते हैं. So he advised his client to read that before he signed that. Okay. Just write. He advised his client to read it या फिर that before he sign it. Okay, या फिर that. So he advised his client to read it before he signed it. Okay. Okay, do sing it again. Okay, यहाँ पर हम रिक्वेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं या फिर बैक कर सकते हैं. So he requested to sing it again. He requested to sing it again. Okay, he requested her. कुछ ना कुछ आपको ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए. So he requested him या he requested her to sing it again. He requested her to sing it again. Okay. Don't put your hands near the bars, the zookeeper warned us. Okay, so he warned us not to put our hands near the bars, not to put our hands near the bars, right? us है इसलिए उसने हमको वार्न किया है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पर आर यूज किया. सो नॉट टू पुट आवर हैंड्स नियर द बार्स. ओके, देन buy a new car, I advised him. So I advised him to buy a new car. That's very simple. I advised him to buy a new car. Okay, then don't drive too fast. So she begged him. So she begged him not to drive too fast. Okay, she begged him not to drive too fast. Don't lean your bicycles against my windows, boys, said the shopkeeper. Okay, so the shopkeeper told the boys, don't है, so not to आ जाएगा. So the shopkeeper told the boys not to lean their bicycles against his windows. Okay, be very clear. The shopkeeper told the boys not to lean their bicycles against his windows. ओके, ये जो हिज आ रहा है वो शॉपकीपर के लिए आ रहा है, राइट? शॉपकीपर कह रहा है माय विंडोज, तो हमने अभी माय को हिज में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. और बॉयज के लिए योर बाइसिकल्स है तो डोंट लीन देयर बाइसिकल्स. ओके, सो डोंट नॉट टू लीन देयर बाइसिकल्स अगेंस्ट हिज विंडोज. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कम टू द सिनेमा विद मी. ओके, ही आस्क्ड हर to come to the cinema with him. Pretty simple, to come to the cinema with him. Cook it in the butter. I advised her to cook it in butter. Pretty simple, I advised her to cook it in butter. Don't touch the gates, madam, said the lift operator. Okay, so the lift operator warned the lady. Madam है तो lady हम use कर सकते हैं. So the lift operator warned the lady not to touch the gates. Okay, not to touch the gates. Don't argue with me, the teacher said to the boy. Okay, so we can say the teacher told the boys. Okay, सिर्फ boy है. So the teacher told the boy not to argue with him या फिर not to argue with her. Okay, ये teacher अगर male है तो him और अगर female है तो her. So not to argue with him. Pull as hard as you can, he said to him. Okay, so he told him to pull as hard as he could. As hard as he could. कैन का could हो जाएगा, वो आप ध्यान में रखिए. So he told him to pull as hard as he could. Send for the fire brigade, the manager said to the porter. Okay, so the manager order किया, request किया, कुछ भी. Okay, यहाँ पर manager ने porter को बोला है, so हम order भी use कर सकते हैं. So the manager ordered the porter to send for the fire brigade. To send for the fire brigade. Don't lend her anything, he advised us. Okay, so he advised us not to lend her anything. Not to lend her anything. Okay, make a list of what you want, she told us. So she advised us to make a list of what we wanted. ठीक है, what you want है तो what we wanted. ओके, सिंपल प्रेजेंट सिंपल पास्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. लुक एट द पेपर, ही सेड टू हर. ही आस्क्ड हर टू लुक एट द पेपर. ओके, ही आस्क्ड हर और ही टोल्ड हर टू लुक एट द पेपर. स्टैंड क्लियर ऑफ द डोर्स, अ वॉइस वार्न्ड द पीपल ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म. A voice warned the people on the platform to stand clear of the doors. Okay, pretty simple. See if you can find any mushrooms, children, she said. Okay, so we can say she asked the children if they could find any mushrooms. If they could find any mushrooms. She asked the children to see if they could find any mushrooms. Can जो है वो could में convert हो जाएगा. Don't go alone. I warned her not to go alone. Okay. Pay at the cash desk, the shop assistant said to the customer. The shop assistant asked the customer to pay at the cash desk. To pay at the cash desk. The notice said, leave this space clear. The notice told us, ठीक है, कुछ भी us या फिर जो भी है, told them जो भी है. The notice told us to leave the space clear. To leave the space clear. Remember to write to your mother, I said to them. Okay. Remember है मतलब हम remind करवा रहे हैं, ऐसा हम बता सकते हैं. So I reminded them to write to their mother. I reminded them to write to their mother. Think well before you answer. The detective warned her. Okay, so the detective warned her to think well before she answered. Okay, she answered. So simple present है, simple past में convert हो जाएगा. तो अभी सारे sentences 35-36 sentences आते हैं, 36 questions आते हैं. तो आप एक बारी pause करके सारे के सारे questions जो हैं दोबारा try करिए. ओके, थोड़ा practice करते हैं अभी. Put the verb following into indirect speech using ask, advise, invite, offer, remind, tell, warn. Okay. He said to me, would you like to have lunch with me on Sunday? Okay, अभी इस केस में क्या हो रहा है कि ये he said to me, उसने मुझसे पूछा कि क्या मैं संडे को उसके साथ में लंच लेना पसंद करूंगा. प्रिसाइसली हो क्या रहा है कि वो उसको संडे लंच के लिए इनवाइट कर रहे हैं, राइट. सो ही हम उसको इनवाइट के सेंस में ले सकते हैं. तो ही इनवाइटेड मी टू हैव लंच विद हिम, राइट. ही इनवाइटेड me to have lunch with him on Sunday. Okay. और अगर आपको डे बताना जरूरी नहीं है तो ना बताइए. So he invited me to have lunch with him. Would you like a drink? Said one of the guest. अभी यहाँ पे गेस्ट है जो वो क्या कर रहा है, कोई ड्रिंक है वो ऑफर कर रहा है. सो आप यहाँ पर ऑफर यूज कर सकते हैं. सो वन ऑफ द गेस्ट ऑफर्ड. अब वो ऑफर किसको कर रहा है वो यहाँ पे क्लियर नहीं है, तो या तो आप मी यूज कर लीजिए या फिर हिम यूज कर लीजिए, हर यूज कर लीजिए, जो भी है, राइट. सो वन ऑफ द गेस्ट ऑफर्ड मी अ ड्रिंक. ऑफर्ड मी अ ड्रिंक या ऑफर्ड हिम अ ड्रिंक. ठीक है, जो भी.